Are we going to discover extraterrestrial life? Note that I'm talking about extraterrestrial life, not aliens. On April 17th, the International Astronomical Team led by Cambridge University announced a shocking global news. They detected two key molecules in the atmosphere of K2-18b, a super-Earth about 124 light-years away from the Earth. In current human research, these two substances are usually produced in life activities by microorganisms such as floating plants in the ocean. This means that there may be life on K2-18b. So what kind of planet is K2-18b? How were these two chemical molecules discovered? Do these two molecules represent life? Let's go to this planet together to find the answer. K2-18b was first discovered by Kepler's telescope in 2015. It is located in the Leo direction, circling a red dwarf planet called K2-18, and is located in a belt of this planet. The cycle is about 33 days. The diameter is about 2.6 times that of the Earth, and the mass is about 8 times that of the Earth. The size is between the Earth and the comet. Therefore, it is classified as a super-Earth or a mini-comet. In 2019, two independent studies combined the data from Kepler's telescope, Spitz's telescope and Haber's telescope to conclude that there is water vapor in the atmosphere of K2-18b. This is the first time that humans have discovered water on a habitable planet in the West. This aroused the interest of astronomers. In 2023, a research team from the University of Cambridge in the UK used the observation data of the tail telescope to find that the atmosphere of K2-18b contains carbon dioxide, and deduced that this planet may be a blue ocean planet. This type of planet has a thick blue atmosphere. The surface of the planet is covered by the ocean. Studies have shown that a blue ocean planet can provide the necessary chemical and thermal conditions. This means that K2-18b is a good target for the search for extraterrestrial life. So how did scientists discover the molecules in the atmosphere of distant planets? The method is always more difficult. Astronomers are very smart. They found that when a Western planet passes in front of its mother planet, the light of the mother planet will pass through the atmosphere of the planet. When light is transmitted in the atmosphere, some waves of the wave field will be absorbed by various gas components in the atmosphere to produce specific light waves. At this time, scientists can use space telescope or large ground telescope to analyze these light waves to identify the atmospheric components of the planet. If it is found that there is a molecule of carbon dioxide, it means that there may be signs of life on this planet. But this is not absolute. This time, astronomers used the tail telescope to find the signals of carbon dioxide on K2-18b, and the accuracy of this signal reached 3 GHz. This means in statistics that the result is real, not accidental error. The accuracy rate will be up to 99.7%. Sounds high, right? But scientists are not satisfied. In the scientific world, especially in the major discoveries that may subvert human cognition, the real gold standard is 5 GHz. This means that the probability of this signal being a random coincidence is less than 3 in a million. Can be said that it is as solid as a mountain. But the problem comes with it. Although on Earth, DMS is almost entirely generated by biological activity, it does not mean that it is the same in other corners of the universe. It must be so. We can't simply apply the experience on Earth to the outer world. Maybe there is a chemical reaction that humans do not know about. For example, in some specific links, DMS can also be generated without the need for life conditions. These are all for scientists to continue to verify. In fact, long before K2-18b, humans also discovered the existence of biological signs in the golden atmosphere. During that time, Ms. Jean also spoke out about this. Confused. Can the heart of gold breathe life? Isn't this obvious? Who is so nosy? Click in and see. Astronomers, what I want to express is that only after all non-life explanations have been excluded one by one, can humans really take that key step and say that extraordinary sentence, "We are not alone."